same way. I don't feel like taking it and carrying the flag right now. Like I'm like trying to get as much as things done in my own work stream. So then when I'm on Burning Man, I don't need to worry so much about work. Sorry for the background now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like I could start something now, but then I would need to like leave for 3 weeks, so it would be kind of awkward. Do you have any intentions or distractions? Seems like you have at least one.
Yeah, my intention was basically like join, see like the work streaming here, and if we start looking at the data, and we get some conclusions or something, I think that'd be fun, even if it's meaningless right now. But I don't know, like, yeah, that was my intention when joining this call. For distractions, I mean, background noise, neighborhoods are doing stuff, so yeah, it's annoying.
Okay, cool. Yeah. My thing is just to facilitate, go over the reports and look for anomalies. Distraction. I have a Twitter space at the top of the hour. I need to leave early. Yep. That's my thing.
Yeah, so should we dive into the data?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's what we
Think.
did last time with
Yeah.
Pat. Like we were just
Uh,
reading it, looking.
yeah, it's cool stuff to see at least.
Yeah. I mean the data is amazing.
Praise data visualization. So we've got this rating distribution. Ones overwhelming, fives, eights. What I noticed here is that there's no 144s. They're gone.
Yeah. When I see this, what I feel is like because there's so much difference between like 1 and even 89. Like the people using this longer, not these higher numbers are affecting more the quantifying thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you think, but why do you think there's no 144s? Like there was nothing that was outstanding during this period?
Which period is covering?
This is, well, this is for ETH Barcelona. Well, that's too bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, they were conference like Griff and Tom talk. They were
Livia
Libby's talk.
talked.
Yeah,
Yeah.
those from me are 144. Can we see
Mm.
like the top ones where they were?
Yeah,
Yeah,
here
giving a
we go.
fantastic talk. Yeah, hosting.
Average was 34.
Yeah, and then this is like what I was saying. Like if I was not a quantifier at this time, but if I was, like, I would give 144, let's say, to Tom, but then I'm not quantifying for Libby, and then it's.
Yeah, I wasn't either.
I feel it's like we should somehow have like stronger rules to make the quant more equal.
What do you
I don't
mean
know,
stronger rules?
like like giving a fantastic talk in East Barcelona shouldn't be lower than 55 or something. Like I know it's so hard to make because me and you are so deep in the community, and then two people are not, and then it's hard. They probably would even not read the rules, which makes I don't know. But the thing is, like
Mm-hmm.
there are places that shouldn't be lower than certain amount of number. Like even okay, like there could be talks, and not all the talks should have the same value. Like some talks are more meaningful than others,
Yeah.
and that's okay. But
Maybe
still,
you
like
can like rather than making rules, like you can do, if we go into the cross period analysis, like if we look down at these categories, we have like keywords that are all related to like a certain category.
Mm-hmm.
And then like when those keywords show up, we could like give some sort of a reference, like, you know, average scores in this category are usually this
Oh
much.
yeah, yeah, I love it because then it's easier for everyone.
Sorry, I'm gonna write that down. Sorry, my internet is not doing well with all this.
Do you want me to help with the typing? Let me open the agenda. Oh, it's not in here.
This one. One. Yeah. Hmm.
Do you have the agenda link? So I'll put it on the calendar so then everyone can just get it.
Uh, yeah, I'll drop it in this little event chat here. There we go.
Okay, let me open it and then I'll put it on the calendar so then it's always there.
Just kind of paraphrasing what you said.
Yep. I love this thing like someone leaves the message. Please quantify right this high on the bear
Yeah,
one.
I saw that.
This is great.
What is this? Is that self-praise? I don't know. We gotta investigate this.
uh, no, I don't think so. Uh,
That's funny. That's funny. But like if we're looking, oh well, whatever he did here worked. Look at
oh
praise,
yeah, he's top one.
bear, Tam, Megan. Like it kind of just gets lost because I mean, where's Livy? Oh, there she is. She's all the way down here. Look at this. She gave a talk at Eat Barcelona.
Yeah, I mean this is
Freaking Loey
yeah.
gets more than her.
Wow.
Oh man. Didan, Mount Manu.
I feel like what's happening right now is like I feel like like the stores are giving praise to the people, but then the stores are not getting as much as before, which is which I feel kind of okay in the way like it's like stores are getting paid, so at least like
If no, well, if we were getting paid.
I mean we are getting paid, right?
I'm not getting paid.
You're not getting paid for what you're doing
Well,
here.
they stopped the stewards payments.
Oh, I mean, yeah, not payment. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Like you're working for General Magic. That's fair. Yeah, that's totally fair.
That shouldn't matter. I mean, like General
Yeah, yeah,
Magic's not
yeah,
getting paid for me being here.
yeah, yeah.
I'm doing it in the hope.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like in a normal situation, if we were getting paid, then like yeah, this would probably be okay, you know, because in most cases these people would be just doing their jobs. But I still think like stuff down here, like Livy should have definitely gotten more credit, you know.
Yeah. And then there was one thing like
And
we
where's
saw
Griff?
with,
Griff's like,
yeah, Griff never is never there. Never.
does he just like delete his praise or what's going on here? Okay, he's not
Uh,
even there.
and there was another thing that caught my attention last time we did this with Pat, and then Pat was having like more praise for being a quantifier than for the rest of the job she's doing. I know she's doing most the academy, but I don't know, like she comes to the calls and then she give updates
She was getting more praise for what?
for being a quantifier than for the rest of the
Getting
thing.
more
Yeah,
rewards?
yeah, exactly. More rewards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, interesting, huh?
Yep.
Hmm. What we got here? Yeah, so ones, threes. Praise to Ivy. Ivy. For the courage to join the lounge as a newcomer. Present an outstanding idea for gravity.
No idea.
Evolving stewardship, yep. Lowy. Okay. Oh yeah. This is my spot right here.
What does it
Most
mean?
valuable praise. MVP.
Oh, which one it was?
Oh, it's just like from all the praise I give or I gave, they were
Oh,
all rated
okay,
rated high. So like a lot of
okay.
tokens were distributed from the praise that I dished.
That you are like, yeah, because you're so specific.
I'm just writing novels every time. Acid laser, Livia, steps here. Interesting. Okay.
I mean, that also, yeah, that's what I was
What's
going
that?
to say. Like, it's also like probably you dishing more praise than the rest of the people.
Yeah.
It's the
Well, I mean,
quality,
you
but
can
also,
see here,
yeah.
like I'm at 230, and then acid laser is the next one at 170. This is based on the average score in each instance. So I don't
And
know
this,
how many actual instances. Does that make sense?
I'm not so sure. Like, it shows like, oh, sorry, I need to mute.
It's the sum of all the average scores of each instance of praise dished, right? So the
Yeah.
thicker the flow, the higher the average score is. And so then this number here, this 170, is the sum of all of
Oh,
these.
I see.
So then maybe acid laser and we dished the same amount, but because mine was rated higher, like so you got
Yeah,
45,
yeah.
48.
It's way bigger, the lines.
Yeah. So we don't know how many actual instances of praise I dished. We just know that the sum of mine is higher than anyone else's. And then you can see the sum received. So Bear 100 is 106, Tam is 93, Nuggin 70. Oh, we can't see. Oh, here we go again. We can get it. Nice.
And this
Oh,
is so
cool.
great.
This is amazing. 31. Outliers. Spread 84. Great reward system panel in ETH Barcelona. Spread is 81. Here. This is for Ivy, or that's for Tam.
You know
Wow.
what be so nice to have? I don't know
What's
how
that?
hard. Yeah, it's a feature, so yeah, I'm just
Yeah, yeah.
making demands. But I know the thing is like it'd be so nice. Like that's something I was doing yesterday with Rec. Like we're doing like this audit, like the master sheet, and then you can see okay, Septi got this amount of money, and then
Mm-hmm.
you can just label like all the data and only see Septi, and then you can see every why Septi got this amount of money, or at least what the documents say that's the reason Septi got this money, and then it'd be nice also like to have something similar in here, like okay, Mitch got this amount of praise, rewards on the praise this round. So let's check what Mitch did this round to get this amount of praise, and then it's like you can check everyone.
But you could do that with the spreadsheet, no?
I mean, yeah. You can. I mean, yeah, with spreadsheet, yes, but it's like we are not sharing those on the forum posts.
Yeah, yeah. We could. It wouldn't be very hard.
Yeah, probably we
We
should.
just when we just open up this here.
Then you
We
just
add a little
put a filter.
filter,
Yeah.
and then we here.
Yeah, that's good. I think we should put the spreadsheet too.
Yeah, you're right. I was just getting overwhelmed with like this stuff, and like I don't really like to look at the spreadsheet during the call because
Yeah,
it's not as it's just like information overload. But I think this is like pretty clear. You can see the average scores.
I mean, in the forum post, I think it doesn't hurt to get it there. So if people
Like
in his
putting
own
putting
time
this
want,
sheet in there or putting all the
yeah,
information.
no, just put the shit. I think that's enough. Then if
That's
someone
fine.
wants to look at it, they can. If no one wants to look at it, then. But I don't think it's adding so much workload.
No, we have the CSV anyway. That's what we export in spreadsheet to forum post.
Yeah, I think that'd be awesome.
Okay. Is it in there? No, it's not. You're right. Okay. Yeah, that's no problem. That's no problem. Preschool, like quantifier. Yes, this is all like quantifier differences. Really surprised by this. It's like, oh, this one's huge, man. You can't even see it. What do you think? That looks like a bug.
Uh,
You can't. Can you read it? I can't read it.
I
It cuts off,
can.
but you can't see because it's so big. You can't see this part here where it says spread and max score. Can you?
On my computer, I see it.
It might be a resolution thing then. I don't know how to.
Yeah, maybe it's on the desktop.
Raise is too big. I'm just gonna drop it in here. Might be useful just to like have like
Yeah, zoom thing in the a resolution thing in the
just to add
chart.
in like line breaks. Like
Yeah.
how do I turn off the setting? Okay. Yeah, there was this one here. It was like development or something. I think it was up here. Fantastic talk. Spread 42, max 50, max 55. What's wrong with these people?
It's
Oh
it's
my god.
like the max should be the minimum.
What, man?
Who was the
Okay.
quantifiers? Can we see who they were?
Yeah. We just go here and we look up Tam. Where's reason? Ah, sorry. Reason. So then it looks like it's this one.
Yes. Yep.
Unjui, Nuggin, Maxwell, Henry, Tigeroid. Oh, Nuggin,
Okay.
come on. Look at this.
Yeah.
Nuggin,
Yeah.
come
Dragon
on.
Man.
You were there. Come on.
Yeah, man.
That was my. Oh man, that was my praise too. No love, man. 24.
Yeah,
This one too
praise
was raised.
is so low.
55. Marked as a duplicate. Henry. Tigeroid gave it 55. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
The hard part though is like, getting all this data and try to, make an impact like in people. That will be interesting to discuss in the
It's
next
in the
call.
notes. It's in the notes. And it's been recorded. Okay, where are we here? Incredible. Yeah. And even like this development stuff. Developing
Development.
cross-period analysis in the reward system.
Yeah, come on.
That's important stuff. Hmm. Different quantifier behaviors based on the range they gave.
But
So
choose him the one that used more
yeah,
detail.
he used it all. Maxwell, Mike didn't quantify. Eduardo, look at like he's so like
Yeah, it's very low. Like no more than 20.
I feel like maybe just like taking like some of this cross period analysis stuff and just like tagging people, be like top
Yeah.
3, top bottom 3, you know?
I think another, bad solution probably could be like limit the amount of quants people can give. Like if you limit like let's say maximum 20, like it seems like what people's using, then
I go ahead.
it's yeah, I was just going to say like probably like they will be more rational on what they are giving at 20. But I don't know, like it feels like we're giving so much freedom and people is not using it, but probably it's a bad solution.
Hmm.
But yeah, just throwing in there. So
I think maybe just like pinging the quantifiers more often to look at this cross period analysis because like ZY added in all this stuff that's just for quantifiers, this quantifier trend. So we're able to look over, for example, this is over 40 weeks and we can see the trends. The same way that we have
yeah,
this for around, we now have it over across 40 weeks for everybody.
no, that's great.
And so instead of just like, looking at one particular round and like, somebody's bias for that particular round, we can see the bigger trends. And maybe people look
Yeah,
at it and they realize like where they are in relation to other people. Like maybe Eduardo doesn't realize that he's like very
Yeah, but
frugal. We'll
the
say.
thing is, like, also, like, the quantifiers are not joining the Discord, which is
Yeah, I know. So it's like instead of them joining, it's like putting it. Maybe it's a bandwidth,
yeah,
maybe it's a time thing, but being like, hey
yeah,
guys,
yeah,
want to see where you stand? Check out the quantifier leaderboard. I don't know.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I think we should
something like
promote
that.
that.
And then maybe they become interested in a call. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yep, yep.
I mean, the
Topic
call is
3.
recorded and it's there, but I don't think like people is neither watching it.
Uh,
Like,
you need to put
just
an
being,
interface.
yeah.
Yeah, interesting. Tendency to overscore, underscore. Oh, what did I do? Oh my god. I pushed a button.
Yeah, I don't remember how to put it. Oh, you were.
I just refreshed it.
Okay, but it's a way like to get it back without refreshing. I discovered it last time I was doing it, but don't remember again.
Maybe reset.
Yeah, probably.
Pearson coefficient index. So this one was how similar they score to other quantifiers. Tendency to underscore and overscore. And then I think this is just another way of skewing the data. So the higher
What's
the
the...
coefficient, the more similar your scores are with everyone else's.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
but
So then you can
Bonjuga,
see. Go ahead.
I was just going to say like Bonjuga is the lower one because he's using the whole table, and not even the whole, like until 89, and then he looks
Hmm.
like he's the bad quantifier. If you look at this, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. But I mean, like that's just saying how similar he is. Not to say that he was right or wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, but
Yeah.
normally like population is right, and then individuals, like the solos are. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what democracy says.
Yeah. That's why we take the average, I guess, in this case. You know.
Yeah.
Um, I thought this was interesting. So we had 12% duplication, but 0% on dismissal. 0 disagreements on
Oh.
dismissals. I don't think. I mean, it could have been that like nobody dismissed anything. Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah, I feel like praise is getting better. Like, like it's since we are not doing like this community call, and it's getting, yeah, more quality.
Look at that. Nothing. There was
Zero.
there's 0 dismissals. That's why.
I think that's
Yeah,
good.
that's good. That means people are kind of understand how to dish praise.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. Cool. I think that's pretty much it. Maybe we'll take a couple minutes and look at the cross period analysis just for fun.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is 40 weeks divided into blocks of 2 weeks each. So, you know, up to week 39. Ooh, all-time low.
Wow.
Wow, man.
The graph shows the trend of. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, people was in Barcelona, not this praise, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to praise catch up. How many people give and receive praise? Total praise receiver. Praise givers remain the same, but less people receive praise.
Probably another bad idea, but what if we reward people who's praising?
Reward people for praising?
Yeah.
I think we want to focus on like quality though, right? We don't want to like
Yeah.
make it gameable by people dishing lots of praise. But maybe there's like like you could give them something for dishing at least one praise a week.
Yeah, and I don't know, like maybe even like, I mean, it's making it more and more complicated. But even if like you could say like, uh, I mean, people will not be engaging, but you know, like having like praise, people for praising get reward, and then people also evaluate the praise and some incentive like to people who praise well, and then the people who praise not so well, they get slashed or something.
Okay, I'll write it down. Praise well.
Yeah, it's just dumb ideas I'd like to throw there, so maybe like someone know how to make them better.
Yeah, I guess like they don't, because the praise givers don't have any rewards, so there would be nothing to
Yeah.
slash, right?
No, but if we are rewarding people for giving praise,
Uh, okay.
then if they do
Yeah,
it wrong, they get slashed, and it could
they
go
want to be as
farther.
close to the average as possible.
Yeah.
Uh, you have to figure out what metrics to use for bad, but okay, we got it written down. Interesting. So this is the, oh sorry, this is the other one. This is the cross period. Quantifier involvement. Again, 8, 8. That's when we had 3 weeks, and then this went back down to 2 weeks.
What? Oh, this is like the people. How much people was
Yeah, the amount
quantifying?
of quantifiers that were drafted. 8.
Yeah, I mean, at some point it will standardize to always the same, right?
Yeah, we'll have the biweekly, and so I don't
Yeah.
know. But if we had more praise, right?
Oh, yeah. Then
If
we get
we
more
were up
quantifiers.
here or up here, like a 900
Yeah.
praises, we would
Yeah.
need
That's a
like
lot.
maybe 14, something like that. Average score correlation. Sean's way down there. Algene. Yeah. It's like imagine if like this Pearson coefficient, if you were like, you know,
Yeah,
20%,
someone.
20% difference between like the person beside you maybe or something. I don't know.
I don't
Maybe there's a way
fully
to score it.
understand this one. Like that means like the Sean compared with the second one. It's like quantifiers do not know how to score Sean, right? Like they are
Yeah, how
doing.
much they agree with other people. So like how similar is one score with other quantifiers. So Sean generally is the most different, scores the most different than everyone else. So it could be underscored, it could be overscored, but more
Yeah,
consistently they're scoring different.
I see.
hmm
Is that YGG or another Sean?
That's a different Sean. I don't think YGG is in the pool.
Okay.
Interesting. So user new went from 14 to 16. User left 53 to 41. So that means like 12 users that showed up last time didn't show up this time in the quant or in the praising.
Yeah.
Either giving or receiving. Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah. So the net average from -39 last round to -25. Okay. So less of a net difference here because this round to that round we like plummeted.
Yeah. Probably is what we said before if Barcelona had a thing to do there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And now that we don't have community calls like weekly, I feel like people was getting those praise, to just to dish them there and then tag them, but then it's like now it's every 2 weeks, so you don't think on praising every 2 weeks at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, probably more praise will be missing during the summer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. People receiving 50% of the rewards.
Oh, that's going down. I think that's great, right?
Um, minimum
Oh,
number of
well, actually, it's
people.
the opposite. Like
Yeah,
10
that
people
means
are
it's
getting
like
okay.
I think
10 people is getting half.
yeah, I think so.
I also don't think it's so
I don't know.
so bad. Like
I don't
10
think
people.
I don't know. Minimum number of people receiving 50% of the rewards. So this is a coefficient or this is the number of people?
Oh, it says Nakamoto, but I was thinking it was people, but probably it's not.
Because if I look at if we look at this, for example, like I feel like these are less radical than other ones that we've had.
Yeah, yeah, it looks
Like if we
pretty
go back
even.
to um, let's see if this will load for us. Wars, December. I'm curious what this says. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this versus that.
Can
Like,
we? It's also less people every time.
yeah, that's true. But I mean, look at like the top
Yeah,
190 to 40. Like you got this section here,
yeah, getting
has huge
yeah,
amounts. But maybe it is a little bit exaggerated because I mean, like you've got 30, 143, 124. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know.
yeah. I mean, I think that's the thing. Like we're looking at it, and then we might discuss it with the rest of the team.
Hmm. Nakamoto ratio is higher.
No, I don't know information. Should Google it. I probably can do
Interesting.
it later.
Let's see here. Uh, okay. I've got to jump pretty soon, Zep. I gotta run to the
Yeah,
washroom and then get ready for this.
it's cool. Yeah, I think like it's
This.
pretty much done. I think it was a fun call.
Yeah, we got some good ideas here. I think
Mm-hmm.
that's good. We did our duty.
Yay!
Uh,
Okay, Mitch.
and
Enjoy your staying in the woods, and yeah, see you in the probably in the stores call.
yeah, hopefully I'll be there.
See you. Bye bye.
All right, see you.